Hi guys, just welcome back. I just wanted to share with you the latest update with Binance and the trading, how it's taking place. They have left out a note, and so I just wanted to give you out that as soon as I've been using Binance for quite some time, and hopefully this will help you if you have not heard the update. Okay, so irregular trades were detected on a number of API users, triggering an internal risk management system. As such, Binance made a timely decision to suspend trading, withdrawals, and other account functions. We have since taken the following actions relating to the incident. To protect the safety of the API users, we have removed all existing API keys and requested all API users to recreate their API keys. We implore our users to take care of their API keys going forward. Very important. And one, if you are not a regular API user, please do not create an API key. And number two is, do not give any third-party service providers access to your personal API key. Very, very important. Number three, use API whitelist functionality to ensure your key is only accessible to you. Rollback of irregular trades for users who were negatively affected by choosing to trade the rising SYS price. Binance will offer zero fee trading between 2018 7th the 5th and 2018 the 7th the 14th. If you traded SYS during this incident and believe you were negatively affected, please open a support ticket they're requesting at Binance. For all other Binance users, we will offer 70% rebate on trading fees received from you. Does not include referrals between 2018 the 7th the 5th, 2018 the 7th the 14th. So that basically means July the 5th to July the 14th. For those who are used to the dates around another way. The rebate will be given in the form of BNB calculated using the closing price on July the 7th, July 14th, 2018. To protect the future interests of all users of Binance, we will create a secure asset fund for users, SAFU, starting July the 14th, 2018. We will allocate 10% of all trading fees received to the SAFY and offer protection to our users for their funds in extreme cases. This fund will be stored in a separate cold wallet, and since founding, Binance has always upheld our core values and spreading crypto and protecting users, Binance has achieved explosive growth in the first year. With this growth, we have experienced many problems. We must reflect upon these problems and learn from them and improve ourselves. We know in course of making history, we will be tested again and again. We believe every test makes us stronger, and only if we can fight it together, we will move the industry forward. We thank our supporters and those who nudge us forward. We welcome your comments and suggestions and feedback, they say. And thank you for your being on the journey with us, they say. Binance will continue to push forward. So hopefully, guys, that will wrap up today's troublesome experiences with Binance. And hopefully you can move ahead and continue to use Binance as your trading facility. And hopefully this has given you some insight and some value. And I hope their communication has brought you some clarity. So anyway, once again, have a great day. Take care. Until next time, bye from Brian.